Yeah, get that shit out of here. What up, what up? Carlo here, Horsepower Industries. Welcome back to the shop. And yep, just finished a Fortune Auto coilover install here on a 2019 Subaru WRX. And as you can see, it was a pretty much like a straightforward install. Only took us like an hour and a half to install the coils, which is like, you know, pretty fast. But anyway, so here, as you can see, it's a nice set of Fortune Auto coilovers. Hand built here in the US. And one of the big things, I think it's a Gen 7 coilovers. It's not too different than the previous generations, except for, you know, obviously better springs and then obviously better dampening and stuff. But one thing that I noticed on these coilovers that they come preloaded already. So they have the sticker here saying that do not adjust. It's already preloaded from the factory, which is really good, because back then these are not preloaded from the factory, and you have to like carefully preload the springs. And I guess now they start doing that because like a lot of guys, I mean, I see this a lot, like guys that does their own, they do their own coilover install. A lot of people, they don't know how to like set a preload. So, and what happens if you don't set the preload, you're gonna prematurely wear your shocks. And not only that, it's just gonna have a bad setup on the coilovers. But this one, they actually fixed that. But yeah, let's go around. Let's go here. Forgot my gimbal, so I'm just like holding this phone by my hand. But yep, there's the cat, Blackie. Anyway, so yeah, so just show you the rear suspension. Yeah, you know, Fortune Auto, they're great coilovers. Our CRX right here, that's on Fortune Autos. Actually, this was a Gen 5 coilover, so really old, but it still works. And also our time attack race cars on Fortune Auto as well, our S13. So we do sell and install these coilovers a lot here at Horsepower Industries. And yeah, we're very like, I'm loyal to the product. So highly recommended coilovers, especially for the price range. So if you have like around, back then you can get these coilovers for like $1,200. Now it's like around 13 or maybe 1,500. Obviously because of the inflation, like the market right now is kind of ridiculous. But for the money, Fortune Auto is the way to go. You can buy other coilovers like TN or BCs. And then like there's like really cheap ones like the Godspeeds. But here at the shop, the number one seller we aside from the TN, we do sell Fortune Auto 500s. Not only the 500 series, but we also sell like the 550s and the, whatever versions you guys want. We do install other coilovers like KWs, Ohlins, especially like way back in the days, but those are like around like the $2,000, $3,000 price range. And a lot of our, customers here, they're also budget minded. And you know, even for like weekend warriors, like cars that does like you know, minimal uses at the track, Fortune Autos, there it's actually good. It does the job. So you know, highly recommended product. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, or if you guys want to purchase a coilover from us, just hit us up. You can check out our Instagram page, or you can like just send us an email at horsepowerindustries@gmail.com. But yeah, I'll put a link below, and you know, for the product. And then yeah, right now I'm gonna readjust the coilovers, make sure that it's on the correct height, and then test drive the car, and then like maybe readjust again. But normally I got these things down like the first time, because I've installed so many coilovers on these cars. So yeah, let me go back to work, and we'll see you guys again later. Peace out. What up?
What's up?
Carlo here with my boy Greg, doing a test drive. And what are your thoughts, dude? Fortune Auto 500 coilover here on the 2019 Subaru WRX.
Super comfortable.
Yep, like what I always tell this to customers, like if you want something like comfortable and still be able to like take the car at the track, Fortune Auto is the way to go. Actually, this is a 10 kg all around springs. So it's surprisingly yeah, smooth. I already like went over like a couple of areas in the street where it's uneven and nice and smooth. So we're gonna go take this car to a little, you know, twisty area here in Sassoon, and then we'll see like how it feels. Test of suspension, because this road is kind of jacked up too. So, and you can tell with this coilover, like it's nice and smooth.